Today I'm going to show you how to print an 11 by 17 brochure flyer. Follow me. All right, so once we get to this screen, we've downloaded it. We're getting ready to print it. It should show 2 pages. We're gonna go up here to print in the top right corner, and we're gonna get this screen. Make sure the destination is your computer, all pages, and we want it in color. Then we wanna click this more settings down here. Navigate to 11 by 17. Fit to the printable area, and this is the most important part. We want to make sure to print on both sides on the short edge. It is very important that it is printed on the short edge so it flips like a booklet. And then once you are ready, we just hit print and then navigate back to the printer. Okay, then we have to check status, and it's important that we hit check down here where it says printer error occurred. Check. And we're going to select paper from another tray. And we're going to hit tray 3, or just make sure it says 11 by 17. And we wait. And there you go. You have yourself an 11 by 17 flyer with no hassle. Okay, so if you're trying to do many copies of your flyers, but you don't want to force print every single time straight from the file, you can copy straight from the printer. So how we do that is you want to come over to the printer, find the home, and we're going to go to copy, and then we're going to put our flyer. I like to put mine just the way it was printed. So when we get to the screen, we're going to make sure it says full color. We're going to come to paper select, and we're going to hit tray 3, 11 by 17, and then we want to do two-sided to two-sided so we can get the flyer on both sides. And we can also pick a quantity here. So I'm going to print 4 of them and then start. Perfect. And now you have multiple copies of your 11 by 17 flyer in just a few minutes. Yay!